Hi guys, it's quite literally so early. I'm just really sleep deprived, okay? I'm at the doctor's because I have to get some shots, but today I'm filming a day in my life, but it's not any day in my life. It is a work day, and I work at a boba shop. I have a lot of stuff to do beforehand. I'm usually not up this early, I'll say that. Hi guys, so I just got back from the doctor's and look, I got that shot. Kind of a cool band-aid, not even gonna lie. I'm really proud, didn't even cry this time. And I also got shot here. I'm gonna take a nap. Okay, bye! Hey guys, so now I'm eating breakfast. I made a very simple one because everything's broken in my house right now. We don't have an oven. We don't have a stove, and I wanted to make some eggs, but then I was like, how else do you make eggs? So I'm just eating cereal. So it literally looks like 2 bowls of fruit, but this is actually cereal. You can see it there. That's breakfast. Fruit, of course, duh. I always eat fruit, so I'm just gonna eat that while I start off my morning with watching some YouTube videos, as always. The lighting here, not great. I'm gonna move all the way to the other side of the table just for you guys. So, basically, today I'm showing you guys a work day in the life, and by work I'm not referring to YouTube. I actually do have a part-time job, which is at a boba shop, and you know, everybody loves boba, I think, and I post like a little bit about it, not a whole lot, but I thought it'd be really fun to show you guys kind of like the behind the scenes of working in a boba shop. Today I'm not working till 4 and it's only like noonish, so I'm just gonna be getting some stuff done in the morning, and I'll just bring you along with that as well because it's just a day in the life. I feel like it looks so dumb with my band-aid, but I think these band-aids are kind of cool. I love kids band-aids, they're so fun. So I'm gonna eat breakfast and I'll see you guys after. Hi guys, so I just finished breakfast and I'm currently logging on to this call that I'm gonna be participating in. It's kind of like a web conference thing, and I'm participating as like a influencer's perspective, and I think this is like my first Zoom call in quite some time. Haven't had school. Yeah, I'll catch you after this.
Right, thanks everyone for joining Cal Today's webinar on diversifying spend in influencer marketing. So we have 3 awesome folks that are joining us today. Melanie, who is a creator, Rachel, who is an associate digital media manager from Ocean Spray Cranberry, and Taylor, who's the influencer lead at Nissan United.
Hi guys, little update. It's a lot later. I did a bunch of stuff. I had my web conference. It was great. Hence this. I was filming a little. Yay, I haven't filmed in quite a while, so it was very fun. I made this thing. It's gonna be in a video, so I don't know when it's coming out. Oh, it's coming out after this, but don't mind the fact that I'm not wearing a shirt and can't figure out my tripod for the life of me. But I made this sneak peek for a new video. Guess what it's gonna be down below. I actually have to head to work pretty soon, so I think I'm gonna go pack myself a lunch. I said lunch. Pack myself a little meal, put some clothes on because I'm unfortunately not wearing very much right now. But yeah, filmed. It was quite a productive day. Also, I'm just so proud of my nails. Look, guys, look. Just changed, and I'm just gonna show you my outfit right now because why not? Very, very basic, but you know, when is my outfit not? So this is what I'm wearing. I actually just flipped, not really flipped, I just took in the waist of these jeans because I thrifted them, and they're from American Eagle. They're like a size 10 or something, so I did that hack with the thread. It was in one of my videos actually. And then I'm wearing this top that I also thrifted. I literally just cropped it, and then I'm wearing this belt from the Target kids section. Yay. And I was too lazy, so I'm wearing a sports bra and then these pretty layered necklaces. When it's super nice out like today, I like to walk to work. Let's go. I'm going to work.
Bye, have a good day. Love you.
Love you too. I tried to show you guys, but the lighting sucks here. But I'm listening to the Michelle Obama podcast as I walk to work because I love podcasts. Love Michelle Obama. Let's go. I'm at work now. This is Joanna. This is our new worker, Dan. Say hi. And we're gonna start our shift, but I need an apron, so. Say hi. This is David. This is David.
It's so awkward to do it.
Okay. Making boba. If you hear them, there's a bee in our store right now. Fresh boba. Nice. Behind the scenes, we just had a rush. Oh, I brought veggies as well. Oh, you did? Yeah, well I brought a salad. I'll show them me making a drink.
Oh, I don't know which melon doesn't. Oh, that's so good.
Actually, I
want that.
Okay. Tea. Ice. Yeah. Okay, ice.
And fill it up to however much you want. And then I did 30 and then no sugar.
It doesn't usually look like this. Just saying.
Usually there's like
Yeah. Bottles. Don't worry, guys. Nice. I think this also looks good. Actually, can I make more?
You gonna put toppings?
I don't think so.
Fire.
So good. Ooh, ooh. And then we finish it off with a little here. Nice. Nice. I painted that.
Yeah, what? Oh, that's kind of a lot, do you want? Embarrassing.
Why is it not? That was loud.
That was loud.
See, it's not me, bro. We're trash.
Amazing. Right?
Making more boba. So. Guys, we caught a bee.
All right.
What is he doing? Hey guys. Where you going?
I'm getting Subway.
Ice and then like for a regular, you're just getting people about here, and then the rest is matcha. We're gonna teach him. Thumbnail. Yeah. Closing.
Where is this?
After a long day,
We're taking out the trash.
yeah, and it's the best time because we always see the sunset after, like, as we're closing. Look how pretty it is as we go to take out the dump. What do you mean? Yeah, it's pretty. Ah, nah, bro.
Ooh, she got hefty though. The milk. Oh. Again. Hey, easy.
So easy. Oh, I forgot. My camera's dying. There were men watching us throw out the trash.
You see the whole squad?
Yeah, the whole squad. It's kind of embarrassing because because last time we took out the trash, we failed miserably.
We spilled it.
But we got better.
First try.
So thanks for watching. That's the day in the life, boba workers. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Hi guys, I know I ended my video, but it is so pretty outside that I have to show you. I'm filming. Hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Oh no.